I'm going to show you some neat tricks you can use for formatting dates in Excel. So as you see in column A, I have some dates here. And as you can see in columns N and O, I have a little key table. Now, this key table I will be using to guide, and you can use it as well to guide yourselves in formatting dates, whether you need to get a specific date, a specific month, or just extract the year. Now, you can format this directly onto the dates, or you can format it into a different cell by using the text formula. So let's say we needed to get the date of it. So as you see, we've got the 28th of May. So I could do equals text, open the brackets, click on the value, which is my date, hit comma, then open the speech marks and put 2Ds in for the 2-digit date. And if I close that, you see I have 28. But say I needed to know whether it was a Monday, a Tuesday, we can just add another D to get it in a 3-digit format to show that it's a Sunday. But if you prefer the full name, you can add in another D to have it write the full word for that day of the week. So we know it's a Sunday, but say we needed to know the month as well. We can do that as well. Text, click on the value, and then we're going to format that. We can either do 2 digits for month, which is 05 for May, 3 digits, which is for May, and then if we do the 4 M's, you see it's just May, but May is only ever 3 letters long. And then year is the final one. So if I do text again and select our date, I can do 2Ys, and that gives 23 for the end of the year. Or if I do 3Ys, it does the full year, or 4Ys does the same. Now, if I was to select all this and copy it down, you see we have our days, months, and years all written together. And we know it's all in chronological order. Now, if I was to change the month back to 3Ms and click enter and have that follow down, you can see we've got all the June and July. Now, I said you can also do it on to the cell directly. So we're going to select all of column A. So Control space whilst you've got a cell selected in column A to select all of that. Then we're going to hit Control 1 to bring up the Format Cells dialog box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Custom, and let's say we want the full date Sunday, the 28th of May, 2023. We can do that in Excel. So what we're going to do is we want the Sunday. We know that's triple D from our key. So we're going to do triple D. We also want the date 28. So we can do double D to get the number for the day. We also want the month, which is May. So we'll do 4 M's to get the full month name. And then we want the year as 2023. So we'll enter 4 Y's. If we hit enter, you see it's now reformatted all the cells in column A, and now the dates are directly formatted to show Sunday the 28th of May all the way through to Saturday the 1st of July. Say you wanted to change that to a 3-letter day and 3-letter month, you can do that as well. Just hit Control 1 again, remove one of the D's on the first collection of letters, so it goes from 4 D's to 3 D's, and then remove one of the M's from the 4 M's to go from 4 M's to 3 M's. So you have triple D, double D, triple M, and quadruple Y. And once you hit OK, it then reformats it for you. And then you can shorten that column as needed.